Alright, I'm recording. Hold on.
Something like that. Yeah. It's better with the light off because you see the brown water. It's interesting. Why didn't our glaze hold up?
Or who?
Our glaze. The floor. The floor should have held this. Like not. Kind of changed up.
So the back of the wall is wet? It's wet behind the wall, right?
I don't know if I have to do with what. That's all wet. The back of the orange.
The back of the orange is all wet? And then video.
Just take stills because you can't send it. It's just such a big file. You can't send it. Think off the fridge.
So it's wet under the fridge, right?
I don't know. I haven't been down to look at. It's more kind of like splashed in the fridge. There's standing water. This brown standing water is all under the cabinets.
So this thing is, look at the fridge.
Huh?
The fridge. That's a big puddle of water there.
It was normal.
No. What's that? Oh, it's leaking.
It just splashed onto the fridge. It poured through the light. That's what he was hearing.
I see. And there's standing water down there?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's not proof of anything.